Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome. Say welcome. It's Sunday.
Where's that thing?
I took it off. Where is it actually? Oh, it's probably under the stairs. I took it off because we need to wash it. Say, Tay, good morning, Tay. Gusto mo na yung talo lang. Oh, ba't lakaw?
I want to take a photo of you.
Happy Sunday, everyone. It is a very correct, nice and warm day in Brisbane today. Tingnan nyo. So, umaga pa yan guys ha. Hindi pa yan tanghali. Sobrang tutok na suot ng araw. I can see Bob. Have a look, Bob. I can see any clouds. What is it lang?
I have to talk tomorrow.
What is it?
The talk.
Ah, you're the chairperson tomorrow.
What did you say?
I can't see any clouds.
No clouds.
Look.
Huh?
Is it clear?
No, it's still got bubbles. It's been beautiful every day.
Pilini!
Mama's... Oh, my jacaranda's blooming again.
My, that's so cool.
Oh, it's so beautiful, yeah?
My,
Purple.
this is fruit.
Grabe guys, tingnan niyo oh.
You
Grabe
think
ka
that's
blue.
a fruit?
Buyag, tabi po. Yeah, that's a fruit, honey. It's strange, yeah? It looks strange. Look. Tingnan niyo.
Can I touch it?
Oh! What?
The leaves not going to want to stay in the pram if you keep doing that.
Tingnan niyo oh. Isa dito, meron pang isa doon. The other day, wala na. Some of them were yellow before. We'll cross the road lang. Oh, this is awesome. Itong manggang to, kailan pa kaya to magkakabunga? Mga awat, tigwan yung manggahan niyo. Bunga na ni po. Di mo siguro ni mamunga nga mangga eh. Tanong-tanong marami nila.
A few moments later.
Oh my God. Oh, tingnan niyo ang ating
We
iPad.
should have gone the other way.
Kasi gusto namin piliin yung road na hindi pa namin nadaanan before. Pinili namin guys, alam niyo ba, super steep.
Okay, this will be out it.
Gago. Oh, hindi pa kami nakadaan dito eh. Oh, see? You put it on your face, you can't see the road. Daddy Mark, tingnan niyo. Oh. Oh my God. May ginagawang bagong bahay dito. Oh.
I just take this
Sana all.
head away from outside.
Yeah, I think from here, Nak, it's going downhill now. Come on. I think we're at the tip. Yes. Good job. Oh my God. Mahan sa langit. Tingnan niyo ang daan. Pababa. Tungas na po sa bukid. Come on, ate.
Okay.
Hold mama's hand lang. Okay. See, kita niyo ang view ng city, guys. Nandito na kami sa tuktok. Ganda naman yan. Lost sold na. Sayang. Sakit alang balaya, eh. Sayang. Kung makasayang may pambili, may pambili yan. Tingnan niyo city. Naka niyo sa city lang? Yeah. Lang ganda naman ang bahay nila dito, eh. Hello. Kabongga. Wow! See? Hindi pa namin ito nakita before. Hindi to lang pala yan malapit sa bahay.
I can see the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Naka sa Paris, Nak. Nak, can you see the city, Lee?
Yeah.
Look! Look at the city! What? Look there! The building!
Look at that.
Wow!
Look at that bubble in the wall.
That's Brisbane.
Hi, look at
It's ice on the...
Hi!
I got to the top.
You say,
You should see the view of the city.
hot,
Jesus.
hot and cold, hot and cold. Are you hot? Very hot. Nilagyan ko naman sila ng sunscreen.
Yeah.
We're finally here, guys. Tingnan niyo ang mukha niya. Ate, have a look. Stars face.
Hello, wait.
Stretching. My goodness. You okay, Lini? One lalaw. Oh my God, napakainit, guys. Grabe. So, gonna order na. Baby. Anong meron?
Sige nga, avocado? Ha?
Yeah. Ubis, broccoli. Ate Paris is very smart, guys. Paghahanap siya ng orange. Wala mang orange na available. Sabi ng tatay niya, alam nga naman maghanap ka ng wala dyan. Ginawa niya, guys. Tingnan niya. Naglagay siya ng yellow. Tapos red. Kaya sabi niya, what's na? Yellow plus,
Red.
yellow plus red is?
Orange. Orange.
Hi, Paris.
Kasi smart yung bataan niya, eh. Lamig ay ka, panak. Pag-award.
Huh?
For breakfast, what are you gonna have?
What should I have? On kids. Daddy.
You can have. Do you want Paris
Still can have, yeah, egg
egg and bacon?
Yeah. Yeah.
Paris?
I think both of them can share the scrambled egg with the side bacon.
Battle size. Nice, fantastic.
Dalawang ice chocolate. Ito naman kinakain ice. We got Turkish bread and avocado. Meron kaming butter. I'm waiting for the lemon.
And guys, I want to share my picture. Guys, I want to share my picture, but I didn't finish it.
Getting there. Doing a great job.
Yes, huh?
Oh, just leave it here. Just leave it in that. I got the toast and egg for this three. Napakainit, guys. Grabe. Tingnan nyo sila, oh. Lagyan ko sila ng sunscreen lang. So, ayan yung gamit kong sunscreen. Tingnan nyo. Proud supporter Eczema Association. Kasi Ate Paris has got a very sensitive skin. Sobrang pula niya kanina. And kapag ibang mga sunscreen yung ginagamit sa kanya, nagbubutlig-butlig siya, guys. Pula-pula. Ha? Yeah? Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, wag muna eh. We can wait for later on ba? Kasi yung mga kids, ay, sobrang init. Tingnan niyo. Hey guys, we ended up here sa cinema.
We didn't watch anything, but we got something.
Hindi kami nanood, ha? Nag-stop kami dito kasi kailangan namin mag-toilet. It's really bad. We have to go to toilet, both Daddy Mike and I. So, pasok kami dyan. Sabi ko, pwede kaya? Bumili na lang kami ng Slurpee ng kids, tsaka, see? A large popcorn. And, hindi ko pinakita sa mga kids, like a chocolate ice cream for me. But we are heading home now kasi ang ating babysitting ay magnanap na. And you know what? It's super hot, guys. Grabe. Super hot. Ito yung binili ko. Wala, mag-melt na ni kami. Ayaw kong makita ni Ate Paris tsaka ng babysitting. So, nandito lang naman kami. I think, are we still going to the playground? Yeah. That's what I said. We can come back later. It's so freaking hot. Alam niyo ba, Daddy Mike is loving it. Guys, sabi pa niya, the sun is, kissing his skin. Oh my God, sabi ko sa akin ay, it's biting my skin. Grabe guys, sabi niya, kaya dapat magsanay-sanay daw. Sabi ko, sanay naman ako sa ganito guys, kasi lumaki naman tayo sa Pinas. But as much as possible, especially ganito tanghali ba, tutok na tutok yung araw, sobrang init. Kaya, alam niyo ba, this is very exciting for next year. So, Daddy Mike booked us a ticket to Melbourne! Woo! So, nag-book si Daddy Mike, guys, ang ticket na puntang Melbourne, but not until next year. And you know what? It is August, which is spring. It is the winter. Binili ni Daddy Mike winter kasi he loves winter, don't you, Daddy? Sabi niya para maiba naman. Hindi. Alam niyo namang ayaw ni Daddy Mike ng winter, guys. But we thought it's gonna be parang for a change din ba? Kasi ganito, oh lovely. Oh my God. super nice ng araw. But we're going winter doon. So it's going to be really cold. But I'm super excited, guys. Kasi we're going to see the families, our friends. Yeah, so nabook na Daddy Mike yung tickets for 10 days. 10 days. And wala pa kaming accommodation. So bigyan naman sa mga friends na bigyan naman sa mga friends natin dyan sa Melbourne. Baka meron sa inyo diyang magpatuloy sa amin. Alam niyo ba, sobrang mahal kaya ng accommodation sa Melbourne, guys. So we'll see, we'll figure out kung ano yung gagawin namin. But we're thinking about, staying a couple of days sa lula at saka lolo ni Daddy Mike. It would be nice as well, na kahit couple of days lang doon. Tapos we'll find our place. Ito yung talaga, guys, gusto kong gawin, like visit Melbourne again. Unfortunately, alam niyo ba, kasi kahit na lang yan the same country na Australia, Brisbane to Melbourne, it's probably hindi kalayuan sa kung lilipad kami ng Pinas. So it's more expensive kasi kung pupunta kami ng Pinas, di ba, yung accommodation and everything cheaper. Kung pupunta kami ng Melbourne, mahal yung ticket, mahal pa yung accommodation kasi alam niyo naman na dollar ang bayaran dito. So yeah. Are you excited to go to Melbourne lang? Yeah? You're gonna be 6 years old when you go to Melbourne. You're gonna be a big girl.
Are you excited?
Huh? Why are you looking at Daddy? Don't look at Daddy. Mom, don't look at her. Annie, are you excited to go to Melbourne?
I'm not sure.
Daddy, get brainwashed na yung anak.
I'm not there, but it's hot, but cold. So I don't
Yeah, well, this is so hot. It's good to have cold days as well.
Do you like cold or hot first?
Honey, Nini, are you excited to go to Melbourne? Huh? Yes or no? Are you excited to... Did Daddy talk to you as well?
Do you love
We're
Daddy?
going to see Nanny and Pa.
Paris, do you love Daddy? Celine, do you love Daddy?
No? Oh, there you can tell then, Daddy.
Let's go.
She's not in her right state of mind. She's sleepy.
She's Queenslander. Look, everyone here is Queensland except for you.
So it's gonna be nice. We will tell our friends, organize na mga yung kasi 10 days lang, 'di ba? Tapos marami kaming doon, guys, friends and family. So kailangan talagang may itinerary para magkakita kaming lahat ba. But it's good. I think like 10 days is great. Like amount of time na spend doon. Tapos, madadala. Kasi meron pa akong mga winter clothes dito eh. So, aura-aura tayo ng ating mga, doon, mga winter coats and boots and everything. Oh my God. It's super nice kapag nasa shade ka. But kapag direct sunlight, oh my God. Tingnan niyo ang skin. Tingnan yung skin namin na Daddy Mike, guys. Mas brown pa si Daddy Mike.
What? What did you say?
So you're browner.
Come on.
Mas kayo manggi si Daddy Mike kaysa sa akin.
finish. I got it. Ah!
Yan dalawa naglalaro. Si Baby Celine ay nakasuot na naman ng kanyang princess dress. Ayaw, ate. Ayaw, ate.
No! No, mine made this. Mama, work it.
Her dress the anak. Say down, ate, please.
Come play.
Please.
Don't mommies.
Nanggo.
Don't mommy. Stop.
Say, stop, ate, please.
Stop.
Say, please.
Peace. No, please. 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 Yes.
Na anak, we have to go soon, honey. Pupunta kami ng grocery store. Daddy Mike ay nasa gym. So, doon na kami magkikita sa Coles, guys. May bili kami ng mga kailanganin for this week. School na naman ang ating Ate Paris.
Oh. Sorry. Okay. Ow.
Ayaw, nak. Lini. Don't hurt Ate lang.
It's fun.
It's fun. Nak, sing the, this is my fight song lang.
Sorry.
Okay. Come on. Say this is my...
This is my fight song. Song, song, my life song. Bring back my right song. It's happening again.
No screaming. No screaming o singing lang. Ang sus ka, ubo. Thank you. We're out again. Ito ng first, nagbihis pero ang ating babysitin. Agay lang. Careful with your finger, Baba! Baba! Your finger! Okay. Tignan nyo. Nakita man niya ang kanyang, princess dress. So, we're gonna go to Coles now to do some grocery shopping. If it's not dark as yet, sweetie. So, we better be quick.
It won't be dark, so we have to go now. In 100 minutes, okay?
Okay.
100.
Look, so Daddy might clean the car.
Now.
Kanina. So,
100 minutes, okay?
okay. He cleaned the inside and the outside.
I'll count to 100 minutes.
Okay.
100 now.
Nak, have a look, Lynn. Daddy cleaned the car. What do you think?
Is it good? Yeah?
Yeah? Give me thumbs up if it's good. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up? Is it good? Ate na lang. Look, see? Ate, thumbs up. Thumbs up, Lini?
No.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
Oops.
Let's go. We'll meet Daddy there.
Oops.
Go in.
Mommy,
See? Daddy wiped it with the, guys, yung, talaga ba? Pang wipe sa leather. It looks cleaner. Yes.
I found it. I found it.
It's dirty naman na. Taga nabog-abog.
What's ours?
Go in na ka. Wanna walk?
Mommy.
You wanna walk?
Mommy.
Hines. Yeah, we're gonna go see Daddy now.
What's humming? Humming, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Humming,
You think Daddy's here now?
Daddy.
Yeah.
No. Open.
Tingnan niyo, ang isa ayaw mamang umupo dito sa saktong upuan. Ay. Ate, sit down properly, otherwise they will let you out. What have you got there now, Lainey?
Down.
What's that?
Can I say pain? Cake. Cake.
Say pancake. Say pancake. Alright.
Say nuts.
What shall we get from here? Stay. Okay. Excited kayang duha kayo na ilang tapay Sit down. Huh? You have? Okay. Sit down, Lini. Sit down because we're not allowed lang. Sa pantaan lang. See, Daddy's done it. See? Come on. No, you can't sit there. See? See? You can't. Come sit down now. Here. You're not gonna fit there. Nak. Ito lang. Grabe guys. Grabe yung pagkahag niya sa daddy niya, yung pagkababa niya.
Can we get those?
Which one? Yeah, Christmas. Yeah. Sabi ni daddy. Very excited yun
I
siya.
remember you had that in Melbourne.
In love na in love sa kanyang daddy, guys.
And then it cracked.
And she was like, she was like, before, sabi niya sa akin, where's daddy, mom? Lumabas siya ng kwarto, naghanap ng kanyang daddy.
Mommy, not mom.
She said, mom.
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 Do you know what? In Japan, I mean, in America, they call him mom.
Mom, yeah.
But in Australia, they say mom.
That's right. They spell it differently, don't they?
Because in the middle, instead of you, they do O. Mom.
Hawag pa sa kamay ng kanyang tatay.
That's
Kailan niya? Oo.
Hello guys, this is my favorite Gabby.
Ah, Lini is so cute. Let's go get the thing now. Let's go get the peanuts.
Pinaka.
Peanuts.
Pinaka.
Ito may peanuts.
I just did my hand on it.
Ito siya ba? Hala, punong-puno ng hangin. Have a look na. It's very... Mabuto na galing na anak.
Mine, can I put it in?
Yeah.
Can I put it in?
Yeah. $5. Okay, this way.
Grapes.
I don't know if daddy got
But we didn't eat grapes for a little while.
strawberries. Yeah.
We haven't.
Few moments later.
Baby girl! Ah, daway. Tingnan nyo. Pinahubad ng tatay niya yung kanyang... Are you okay? Yung kanyang princess dress kay matumban sa iyang scooter. Buti na lang na convinced ni Daddy Mike. Okay. Where are you going?
Yeah. Here.
Where?
Here. There.
Don't go in there. Here.
Yeah.
You're right around. Yung mga napamili namin, guys. Yeah. So, kanina pala ay iniwan ko silang naglaro dito sa baba kasi I vacuumed sa ang loob ng sasakyan doon sa petrol station. So, iniwan ko sila sa tatay nila. Vacuum ako very quickly para na ano yung ipusin yung paglilinis sa Daddy Mike kanina. Oh, careful! How did you go, ate? Ate! Show me? Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. You know you need something for your knee lang? Have a look at your knee. Mura na kagkuhan. Like, yes, that's right, yeah. Mini! Okay, stay on the side, please. Mama's gonna park the car. Nak, stay on the side lang, because Mama's gonna park the car. Can you keep them on the side, please? We are now getting our dinner ready. Kanina, before kami umalis, guys, for the shops, ay pinakuluan ko yung beef bones. So, ngayon, it's a bit soft na. And that's what we're having for tonight. Magluluto din ako ng rice. Lalagyan ko lang ng petchay. Ayun na!
Daddy.
Daddy's on the phone, honey. C-O-K-E.
C-O-K-E.
Yep.
Okay.
Ang baba. Saan? Ito yung gamitin natin. Beef, nor. Come here, Sabi. Ikaw, tita, dito. What you like? What would you like? What would you like? Oh, kalong sa mama. Hang on, stand here for a bit. Give me a second, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, thank you. Okay, mom. Okay, mom. Such a good girl you are. You're very patient.
Mom.
Huh? So I'm gonna cook rice. Can you put this here? Help Mama? Wow, such a good helper, Lin. Thank you. So we're gonna put rice. And rice water. Okay. Put here. Wow. Oh, everything. All of it. Good girl. Good girl. What is that? Be careful, please.
Rice.
Rice. You're gonna eat rice? Yeah. You can have that one kasi lalagyan ko sana ng mais, guys. But it's late naman. Matagal nang maano yung mais. No. Matagal nang siya ma-soft. Unless ilalagay ko siya sa ano. Yeah, water. Ilalagay ko siya sa microwave. Mas mabilis. May isang, sige, didi.
From the back.
Pwede sila?
Can you get me a water so I can drink from the flip?
Water, W-A. Do you want to spell it?
W-A.
King. T-E-R. Awang bilong-bilong ko eh.
You've got to be fucking bothered to do it.
Ay, Kevin, you. Look. Wow, look at the soup. Wow.
I'm like,
Soup.
I just thought off in the top.
You can have the soup. Wow, soup. Celine's gonna have soup for dinner. What's this?
What's this? Oh, what's this? Red.
Red.
What's this? Pig. Pig. Pig.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Mouse. What's this?
What's this? This one. This one.
What's this? Nanny.
Nani?
They say tiger. Okay.
Well done. I'll show the third. The third.
What's this? That camel.
Donkey. Ay, sorry lang. I'm sorry, baby girl. Camel sa imong dadaran.